Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can add games to Lite Stick 4K. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing is, first step, simply preparing the game's ROMs. Have the game's ROMs you want to play ready, and then optionally download a cover image for each game if you want to see the cover image as well. Then make sure the cover image have the same name as the game file, right? Then remove the micro SD card from the game stick. Insert the micro SD card into your computer or laptop using a card reader. At the root of the SD card, you will see a game folder where all the games are stored. Games are grouped by the console they belong to. So for example, the folder NES games, the Game Boy Color games, and Atari games. Then add your games. Simply copy your games, ROMs, and their cover image to the respective folders. Install DB4S, and then go back to the game folder of the SD card and open the games.db files with DB4S. And then a list of tables in the game database will be displayed. You only need to care about the tables, so where you will modify to add your games, right? Then click on the Browse Data tab, select the table from the drop down, choose the insert and new required, and add your game titles. Make sure to use the game titles match the name of the ROM file of yours. Then select the particular file again from the drop down and add your game data here following the existing format and the structure. Lastly, simply save your changes and safely remove the micro SD card from your computer or laptop, insert it back into the game stick, and turn on the game stick and enjoy your games. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.